हेलो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल टीचर टेक्नोलॉजी में। आज इस वीडियो में iQOO 9 Pro स्मार्टफोन के बारे में आपको बताऊंगी। मैं इस वीडियो में पहले मोबाइल की अनबॉक्सिंग करूंगी, उसके बाद गेमिंग टेस्ट और फिर इस मोबाइल का रिव्यू करूंगी। हेलो दोस्तों, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे और हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो एक लाइक कर दे।
iQOO.
Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the iQOO 9 Pro 5G. Let's get started. On the front, you can see the phone's name. Let's open the box. First, you can see iQOO 9 Pro 5G. The phone has a punch hole display. At the back, the phone has a 50 megapixel triple camera setup with iQOO branding at the bottom. iQOO 9 Pro 5G looks very nice. Next, we have this black lid. Inside it, you get a SIM ejector tool and documentation like a quick start guide and important information and a warranty card, which will give you all the necessary information about the phone. Now, we have a back cover that will protect your phone and looks exactly like the back panel of the phone. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. In addition, the company provides USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack headphone adapter. At last, we have a 2-pin wall charger with 120 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the iQOO 9 Pro 5G box. Thank you so much for watching. Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of iQOO 9 Pro 5G. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go into the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have low, medium, high and very high options. And in frame rates, low, medium, high, very high and max options. We will play on low graphics and max frame rate, so you will get 60 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 8GB RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which works on 4nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get smooth performance from the phone and 6.78-inch AMOLED display has good touch response. During long gaming sessions, you get a stable frame rate and good graphics details. The 4700 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of iQOO 9 Pro 5G is up to the mark and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.
The iQOO 9 Pro 5G. It comes in color options of Legend and Dark Cruise. The phone has display of maximum increase of 20%, maximum increase of 30% and just 20 minutes. Just 8 minutes and all directional autofocus technology Dual Pixel Pro. The phone also has ultrasonic fingerprint scanning and 3D information. 3D ultrasonic large fingerprint sensor and intelligent display chip. It has 50MP GN5 gimbal camera, 50MP 150 fisheye wide angle and 16MP telephoto/portrait camera. It has autofocus performance, breathtaking motion and night picture and exposure time. Strong outdoor light and high FPS and rich colors at hand. It comes with 100% battery and 120 watts flash charge. 50% battery and 50 watts wireless flash charge. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile processor. CPU performance and GPU performance. It also features fast charging support, 4K video recording and fingerprint sensor. Wireless charging, dual SIM and GPS. The delivery box contains cell phone, charger and Type-C USB cable. Warranty card, quick start guide and SIM eject tool.